Good morning class. Welcome back to grade 3 maths. How are you all doing today? Today, let's see a few word problems that involve multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. Let's see the first question. Maria travels 125 km in 1 day. How many kilometers will she travel in 5 days? So what is given in the question? You have the distance that Maria travels in 1 day. And how much is it? She travels 125 kilometers in 1 day. You are asked to find out how many kilometers or what is the distance she travels in 5 days. How do you find that? If she travels 125 in 1 day and the distance she will be traveling in 5 days will be 125 plus 125 plus 125. How many times? 125 added 5 times, which is 125 into 5, right? So, we have to find out this 125 into 5. Now, let's write down the steps from the data given in the question. So, the steps would be the distance travelled in 1 day is equal to 125 kilometers. Now, the distance travelled in 5 days will be equal to the distance travelled in 1 day into 5. Now, that is equal to 125 into 5. Now, let's do the multiplication in the working column. So, you have 125 into 5. Multiplying the ones first. 5 into 5, 25. I carry over to the next place. Now, 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. You write the 2 here and carry over the 1 to the next place. Now, 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So, what is the product? It is equal to 625. So, the distance she travels in 5 days will be equal to 625 kilometers. Clear? Now, we'll see one more question. There are 243 apples in a carton. How many apples will be there in 14 such cartons? See, what is given in the question? You have these many cartons of apple, and in one carton you have how many apples? You have 243 apples, and you are asked to find out what is the total number of apples that will be in 14 such cartons. So, this is the number of apples in one carton, and you are asked to find out the number of apples in how much? 14. How many? 14 cartons. So, what do? You have to multiply the number of apples in one carton by the total number of cartons, which is equal to 14. So, how do you write the steps? The steps would be the number of apples in one carton, that is equal to 243, which is given in the question, and the number of cartons is mentioned as 14. So, you write the number of cartons is equal to 14. Now, the total number of apples is equal to the number of apples in one carton multiplied by the number of cartons. So, let's substitute the numbers. That would be equal to 243, number of apples in one carton, into 14, the total number of cartons. Let's do the multiplication. So, the multiplication in the working column, we have 243 into 14. Where do you start? You start with the ones. So, 4 into 3, it is 12, a carry over. 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17, a carry over 1. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Now, there we have the first product. Now, multiplying the 10th digit of the multiplier with each digit of the multiplicand. So, you have 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 4, 4, and 1 into 2, 2 here. Inserting a 0 here. Now, let's add the two products. 2 plus 0, 2, 7 plus 3, 10, a carry over 1. Now, you have 9 plus 4, 30, plus 1, 14, again a carry over. Now, 2 plus the carried over 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, what is the product? We have 3402, and the total number of apples would be 3402 apples in 14 such cartons. So, I hope this is clear to you. Now, you can go through the topic word problem in page number 60 of your textbook. Go through that and move on to exercise 4.4. You have to complete the questions, question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 5 you have already done in class. So please complete the questions in your notebook, and in the next page, page number 61, you can see this heading, Fun with Maths. Please go through that as well and do accordingly. So we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.